Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your online payment with Payoneer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your online payment with Payoneer, start by logging into your Payoneer account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the verification section, usually found in the settings or account menu. Click on the verification option to proceed. You will see a list of verification requirements. Read through the requirements carefully to understand what documents are needed. Gather the necessary documents to confirm your identity. Common documents include a government-issued ID and proof of address. After collecting the documents, return to the verification page. Choose the option to upload your documents. Select the files from your device you wish to upload. Ensure each document is clear and legible. Once documents are uploaded, click on the Submit button to send your verification request. Payoneer will process your request, which may take a few business days. You will receive an email notification regarding the status of your verification. If additional information is needed, follow the instructions provided in the email. After verification is complete, you can now enjoy greater access to Payoneer services. This includes receiving payments without restrictions. Keep your account details updated to facilitate future transactions. Regularly check your email for any further communication from Payoneer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.